Hey everybody, today G Junior is working on a Cadillac Escalade diesel, and we get the diesel 0W20 oil for this truck. We don't use regular 0W20, we actually get the AC Delco light duty diesel oil approved for these. We also go ahead and get the filter, which I thought the filter was very interesting because it's got, you know, languages from every country on it. Not that side, but every side has a different language on it. And then when you look at the filter, it actually does say, I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, it says product of USA right there. So it's still made in America. I was very surprised. All right, everybody, just a real quick one on this Cadillac Escalade 600. I do believe it's a 600 with a diesel engine. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner down there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my really quick automotive video.